Welcome to Star Aspect Designs, where we believe that good design should feel like a deep breath and maybe turn a few heads while at it. Today we're exploring a 3-bedroom house that proves you don't need many millions to build something beautiful. This house is a total of 100 square meters with a wraparound balcony that goes around the house, as you can see there. And the house is a very simple form. The house by itself is a very simple rectangular structure with a very simple roof, and then now the wraparound terrace that goes around to the dining area. And then back here you have the kitchen yard that has the Dobby sink and the gas cage as usual, and then access to the backyard, where now you can have your clothing lines, you can have your kitchen garden, whatever you like really. Then this is the side of the house. As you can see there, we have a very simple roof, which is a gable roof. I'll take the chance to take you through the types of roofs, but a gable roof structure is the simplest you can have. And then for the wraparound terrace, you then have a very simple slab. So here you have the entrance of the house. As I told you, whatever you see in front, you just extrapolate it to the back and you have a simple rectangular form. So let's move to the ArchiCAD model. Alright, so this is the entryway here. And once you enter, then you get into the living room. And then you have your dining section there, and I really like this layout because it's very compact and open. So it with a contemporary style, the open plan layout, and natural light flowing through every corner. This home is all about smart choices, elegant finishes, and a functional design that truly works for everyday life. So once you get here, this is the dining area, and then you can get out through this door here and access the wraparound terrace that I was talking about. And then this here is the kitchen that then has an access to the backyard. And once you enter this open doorway here, and then you enter the private areas of the house, where you have the master bedroom at this front section here, which is ensuite, of course. Then you have one of the bedrooms there, the other bedroom there, and they share this common facility here. And that common facility is also what works as the cloakroom. As I said, this house is very compact. It has a total of 100 square meters, and that's where we are making the layout as simple and functional as possible. So if I take you through the individual spaces, so this here is the living room. In the living room, it can accommodate 2 3-seater sofas and an armchair, just to show you how compact the house is. And then you have this particular layout here as the dining area. And I like that layout because it forms a very compact design. So there isn't lots of dead space. So you only have space for circulation, and then space for sitting for your dining area. Then you also have a place where you can have a console with some display items, some artwork and all that. And then from there you have the kitchen. And the kitchen has also ample storage. And as you can see, this here is a cooker. That's the sink. And then to the side here, you have the fridge. And then a section there where you can place your microwave and also have a washing machine section at the bottom. And then this section here, I've put a tall cabinet that can act as a pantry because it is very deep, 600 mm, and you can have very many shelves to store all your pantry items. As I stated, the house is compact, that's why we do not have a walk-in pantry. And then once you get to this section here, then you have the bedrooms. And then I should mention this particular protrusion here works really well. Number one, it works to demarcate the kitchen area from the rest of the house, because it kind of creates a sense of entry to the kitchen, because then that is where the kitchen starts, and then you'll have your console right there, and at the same time then you'll have your shoe rack right there. And then now this is the first bedroom here that can accommodate 2 3x6 beds, and then this will function as a common washroom that is shared between that bedroom and this bedroom here, and also acts as a cloakroom. And then right here is the master bedroom, which is ensuite, with a shower, toilet and sink, and then you have your main bed space right there, and your wardrobes, of course. So as I mentioned, this is a very simple 3-bedroom house with 100 square meters, and that would give you an approximate cost of 3.5 million Kenya shillings. If you have a low budget, this is a place to start. So this is the plan, the full plan. So whether you're building your first home for your family or simply chasing that dream of living large, this design is here to show you that great spaces are possible at any budget. The open plans means that you can cook, chat, and supervise homework without missing your favorite show. It is multitasking in style. And there you have it. A small 3-bedroom house with a big personality, smart design, and just the right amount of wow for your wallet. It proves that a beautiful home doesn't have to come with a heavy price tag. And if this design sparked an idea for your future home, or even just gave you hope that your dreams are within reach, we'd love to hear it. Drop a comment down below. Tell us what stood out or what you'd change, because as I always say, every idea starts with a conversation, and we can always stand to learn more. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with that someone who keeps saying next year nitajenga, because maybe this is the nudge that they need. And until next time, live large.